Namaskar. Welcome to Indian Ideas. I'm Nivedita, an architect by profession, a naturopathy enthusiast, and always look forward to a nice conversation. World is going through a crisis mode. Today we are going to discuss a bit about the current pandemic COVID-19. We share our thoughts as follows. Lessons in life. This pandemic situation has taught us that there is no greatness in being pompous. The reality bangs us knocking. Above all is nature, on it depends the civilization and its well-being. No one is greater, no one small. In front of nature and Almighty, no one should think oneself too tall. While we engulf ourselves into the culture of self-promotion and display, this comes as a glaring reminder that joy lies in simple things, everyday work, socializing, nature, going out to play. Yes, no one is supreme, not masters, we human beings. Lesson can come in many forms. We never know who would be teaching. So let's be humble, let's have gratitude and pray. May God's healing and blessings come everyone's way. So this was our initial thought which we wanted to share. Now we are going to share today a few prevention measures which have been shared in various posts in media, which we have read or what we traditionally know, and most of the things are doable, and let's hope we follow this and we come out of this difficult situation. Well-being and preventing the pandemic. Start the day with breathing exercise, Anulom Vilom. It nurtures mind and body both. Great for respiratory systems and lungs, known all along. Pranayam, yoga, meditation. A great inclusion would be morning sun salutation. Regularly having immunity builders like turmeric, amla, sprouts, lemon, neem. Include goodness of soaked nuts and vitamin C with guava and citruses like oranges and the akin. Could also check some dosers immunity boosters like intake of Chyawanprash or doses of some specific vitamin. Nutritious meals with good amount of vegetables and protein rich diet. Vegetarian fares to include dals and pulses. Non-veg could also include fish, meat or egg. Definitely add garlic, ginger in cooking. Include Indian spices like turmeric, coriander, pepper and cumin. Avoid unhealthy food, especially those causing acidity. Mentally remain joyous to do away with any negativity. Having khari chai, also hot tea. Khari chai with additives like cinnamon, black pepper, dried ginger, raisins and tulsi. A hot ginger flavored soup. Turmeric powder in warm milk. Green tea and a book. Sound sleep and adequate rest. Keeping body hydrated. Doing regular exercises. Remaining active and always self-motivated. Twice a day, steam inhalation. It's a great remedy. Aids in lung sanitization. Gargling regularly with salted water. Variant with pepper powder or turmeric powder. Listerine is also good, acts as germ remover. It is said that viruses love air-conditioned and dingy space, lack of fresh air and chances that the spread might try to ease. Good ventilation and sunlight, indulge in recreation, art and some creative delight. Being alert and being conscious, to be mindful and not to be anxious. By taking precautions and following the norms, let's look to deal with the challenges being faced in so many forms. Here we also mention a bit about our traditions and rituals, like everyday lighting oil lamps and ringing of the bells, doing Kapoor Arati, blowing Shankh and its sound, said to aid in universal healing, with their impact profound. For some, chanting mantras and hymns, for some, just quiet devotion. Dispels unwanted elements and gives positive aura. and for those who seek a spiritual connection. Let us await nature's and divine's blessing. Recognize that we are a part of larger ecosystem, we human beings. Let us have faith, this too shall pass. Let us with patience and gratitude pray, humanity emerges victorious. Thank you. So we wanted to share these preventive measures for the ongoing pandemic COVID-19. So basically breathing exercises, Anulom Vilom, yoga, meditation, regular exercises, having immunity builders, having healthy food, steam inhalation. That's supposed to be like lung sanitization twice a day. This is a very important pointer. And gargling. Most of these are doable things. Let's hope with all these things and with our prayers and collective efforts, we will be able to sail through this difficult time. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Do share us your feedback and thoughts. We will be back our next video very soon. Do like, share and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Prayers for everyone's well-being. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.